This video will show you how to utilize the new assignments link in your course navigation menu. From any of your Crystal Lake South courses, you should have a similar group of links provided in your course navigation. One of those links should now read assignments. And if you click into the assignments, it will group any of your assignments as overdue, upcoming, and past assignments. So this is a great place to kind of check in. You can click back into any of your past assignments to submit any resubmissions or retakes if those are allowed in your course. You can see what's coming up, but the due date hasn't passed yet. So you kind of know where to focus your efforts for the current week. And then there's also a chunk where it will list any overdue assignments. So if something has slipped through the cracks, you can click back in and submit those late assignments to get your points.